If you look at the history of Bitcoin, 100% of the time, the probabilities that Bitcoin will not go that low are way out of whack with what they would have to be in order to make waiting make sense. So, for example, waiting for $75,000 instead of buying it at $89,000, you're only getting a 15% discount, a 15% discount. But the upside of Bitcoin, whether or not you plug it into ChatGPT as 2x your money, 3x your money, or 10x your money, it's going to tell you that based on the price history of Bitcoin, which historically was much more volatile than it is now, meaning the probabilities it would give you are actually much higher than is realistic, even the highest probabilities it gives you would say you would need a much higher level of certainty that you're going to get $75,000 than James Check's giving you at 35% chance. So again, you need probabilities way up in the 90% chance to make sense for it to wait. And again, you can ask ChatGPT this. You can feed it the entire Bitcoin price history, which I've done. In most cases, when I was running the math before, the probabilities that would need to be well into the 90%. And again, James Check is only giving you probabilities of getting into the 70s of 35% and probabilities of getting below $65,000 of 25%. So even if you add those, you're at 60%. 35 plus 25, you're at 60%. But the probabilities that tip the scales, where it actually makes economic sense and statistical sense to wait, are up in the 90s. So don't ever take a chance on something when you have a 60% chance of winning if your break-even point is up in the 90% chances. Like you're just absolutely massively working against yourself. Even if somebody gave me any amount of money right now, like literally this minute, if somebody walked up to me and handed me a $100,000 check, I would immediately buy Bitcoin regardless of the price right now. I would not check, I would not time it, I would not wait and see how things go Monday morning when the stock market opens. I wouldn't do anything stupid. I would buy as much Bitcoin as I could. I would buy it right now, and I would buy it regardless of the price.